Equipped with a backup camera, cruise control, remote vehicle start, sunroof and more. It is a no-brainer that this Chevy Malibu has the convenience you're looking for at the right price. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. Top Safety Pick. This Chevrolet Malibu delivers a gas I4 2.5 liters/150 engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power, rear vision camera, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 playback radio data system, RDS, and auxiliary input jack, includes UV white, 7 diagonal color touchscreen display, STD. This Chevrolet Malibu features the following options. Sun and convenience package includes PCN, power convenience package N, CF5, power sunroof, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, STD, silverized metallic, seats, front bucket, STD, seat adjuster, driver power lumbar, seat adjuster, driver 8-way power, remote vehicle starter system. Preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, moldings, body color, body side. Expert reviews. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the 2015 Malibu pulled it off in more ways than one. A perfect balance of attractive styling, smart technology and fuel efficiency with EPA 36 mpg highway, all built into a confident driving experience. The enhanced front-end appearance draws you in. Swept-back headlamps aid aerodynamics and a more prominent grille accented in chrome boasts wider openings for improved cooling. Aero-optimized rounded corners, tail lamps and side mirrors allow the car to effortlessly slice through the air. Aerodynamic details guide airflow seamlessly around the vehicle body to help increase fuel efficiency by decreasing resistance. The power starts at the heart of the vehicle through the all-new Ecotec 2.5 liters 4-cylinder engine with direct injection and 196 horsepower, LS, LT and LTZ, or opt for the available 259 horsepower turbocharged engine with 295 pounds-foot of torque. It's all the fun without extra fill-ups, thanks to 30 mpg highway while maintaining its sophisticated dual cockpit design. The sport sculpted seats allow for long-distance comfort. Available Chevrolet My Link allows you to customize the system to best fit your needs. Make phone calls, select radio stations, choose music from your mobile device and more through voice, command, touchscreen, center stack buttons and steering wheel mounted controls. Take navigation to the next level with on-screen OnStar navigation. You can step it up another notch with the enhanced Chevrolet My Link radio with navigation, which includes full navigation features as well as 2D/3D maps and points of interest. New for 2015 is the inclusion of an available 4G LTE Wi-Fi connection. This can turn the car into a Wi-Fi hotspot to allow you to stream music, search for restaurants, and stay connected everywhere. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V93L3 to claim your Chevrolet Malibu.